just figured out, sort of like saying, I've been playing around with on the old guillotine and that lot. It's basically all I'm doing is I'm cutting down all my little waste bits to make like a box rig or something, but I just want to show you the jig, how I make it. First I'll get a larger tile, whack it in there. This is the size of the tile that I'm going to be wanting to do it, the width. So basically I'm going to slip that on the end on the brace, push my tile up to it. Right, another thing, right, if you've got a big tile like this and the guillotine's feeling hard to go down, you've got to loosen them up further so it's lower that end, not this end, lower that end to get the shear, and now you can go through. It's mainly with the softer ones you have to do this and that lot, but it's just that it's got the shear's got to be that end anyway. Right, so we've got the width. That now will be the width I'll need to cut down on any of my tiles. I'm going to bring this across because I won't get the full length there, so I'm just going to put a fresh edge on it there. Fresh edge on it there. Basically, once you've got, like, you start doing that, now to get the length one, it's the same process. But you spin the tile round and you slide your piece in there, get that across. When you drop that back, now you're going to get your lengths. You know, see, if you get your length, spin around, got your widths there. Trying to get it so I'll get 3 out, but so what I've done is I've just got a necked cock underneath 3, so when I break a 9 down I can give it the last bit and get 2 out of it. I mean, providing you're doing the pattern, you know, it doesn't matter as long as they're all the same. So let's move on another one. So if you want the length, and get the width. Right, so I'm just trying to utilise all the waste bits and that lot. So, and same would be when I want to make, because I'm going to make a little, what do we call it, a crosshatch one. So, same will be on the white tiles. I'll be using all the off-cut pieces. You know, you run loads off and that lot, but it's just nicer to have a tile there to go at. I mean, especially you want to check your edge, you're going to see it tile on tile there when you cut it, aren't you? One edge ain't so great, spin it, use the other edge, shear off the other one. So, there you go anyway. I've got a load of these cut down, so I'm just going to do a little, make a crosshatch video. Yep. Right, I'll make another video now.